The most frustrating thing for psychologists, coaches, and others who really want to help people create a change, resolve a problem, or even achieve an outcome is the internal conflict that their clients experience. You know what I mean, don't you? That conflict that your client experiences when they consciously want to get up early in the morning but are not able to because of the automatic thought 10 more minutes, or the feeling of lethargy or heaviness, or when they consciously want to quit smoking and yet a part of them feels restless without the smoke, or creates an internal dialogue insisting just one more, or when they consciously wish to remain calm in a situation but they are not able to, as that anger gets triggered almost automatically. Clients often complain that these thoughts and feelings literally operate by themselves at a level that they are not able to control consciously. In fact, in many cases, they may not even be aware of these automatic unconscious thoughts and feelings. These are just a few examples. I'm sure you can think of many more, can't you? What is incredible, or to be true more frustrating, is that classical coaching or therapy or self-help programs don't really help with resolving this conflict. The decent ones help create a change or achieve an outcome by making people fight this fight more fiercely. This makes the entire process very tiring and is the primary reason for relapses. The thing about fighting with oneself is that no matter who wins, I lose. And this is exactly why we created the approach to coaching and therapy that we follow. We help people resolve the conflict in a way that when they choose something consciously, all parts of them help them do the same. If they choose to wake up early in the morning, then when the alarm rings, they naturally feel fresh and excited. Or when they want to quit smoking, the thought of smoking naturally creates a sense of repulsion. And when they wish to remain calm, their unconscious automatically creates a sense of calmness. Sounds unreal or maybe magical, no? But in reality, it is a lot more simpler and plausible than what you may think. It is magical because you just don't know yet how we do this. So, if you are a coach or a psychologist or a trainer who wishes to learn the art and science of creating sustainable change naturally and effectively, check out our practitioners program. And if you are an individual who is not able to create a change, resolve a problem, or achieve an outcome that you would really want to, book a free consultation session now.